Okay, there are some programs that you just have to download, and this is going to make your development so much easier. So one of them is called WinSCP. So just go to Google and type in WinSCP. So that's it. It's the free SFTP. Just go to the download page, download the installation package, and just install it. Okay, I already installed it. So the installation process should be pretty straightforward. After that is done, also go to google.com, type in Notepad++, and I love this program. Okay, you're gonna download this and download the current version, do the installer version, and already I installed this, so I'm not gonna install it, but you're gonna install it. Once you got Notepad++, once you open it up, it's not going to look like this. You need to go to Settings, Style Configurator. Just make that a Twilight. This is the best. I just like when it says, I just like this theme. Just choose that so that, we stay consistent. You can also go to Settings and Preference, and you can change some of the settings underneath. I like to check this Show Close button on each tab so that when I have a lot of files open and if I want to close certain file, I can just click on the X and it closes automatically. Okay, so let's see, what am I going to talk about? Okay, also download a program called Putty, and this you will use it if you're a more advanced user, but still just download it. I'll explain why. Okay, but you just clicked on the download. I think you download on putty.exe and just save it. Okay, so now WinSCP, this is a great program. And what WinSCP allows you to do, I just opened WinSCP. When you first install it, you're not going to see all this. You will have to click on New. But this is going to allow you to connect to a remote server. So in one of the videos, I showed you how to connect to your local computer. No one's going to be able to connect to your local computer. They have to connect to a remote server out there. Either a server that you bought through HostMonster or the one that you're hosting at Amazon Cloud. Whatever it is, this will allow you to connect to that computer remotely. So if you go to the login information on Confluence, I created one FTP account. So for example, create this. Connect to choicesoftware.com, which is one of the host name that I created, port number 22. The username is villager@choicesoftware.com. So put that in. Put the password that's in Confluence. Don't worry about the private key file. Just change that to an FTP and then save it. Okay. And then it's going to ask you to, save the name. Just do whatever. Okay, that's okay. It doesn't matter. And once you do that, you're going to see that the setting of that server over here. So that's this one for me. So if I just double click, it's going to log in to that computer. Okay. Now this FTP account that I set up in this example, okay, just go straight to this folder that I specified, and I can, for example, create a new folder. Let's say testing, and it creates a new folder. I can right click and create a new file, and so forth. Okay, but just for this example, let me show you. Okay, mchoy. Let me go and create this file, and then let me just say hi world, and then let's say Michael is amazing, and I kind of am, but I'm just joking. But you can go to software.com/demo, and this, you can see the same folder, right? So I go to mchoy, and there it is. Okay, I can make some changes over here. Just kidding. And there it is. Okay, now everyone in the world can see that. Okay, so again, WinSCP just allows you to create files, folders, and edit it. What you need to do is go to Options Preference under Editor, delete everything, and then click on Add, and click on External Editor, and go to the Notepad++ folder, and make sure you double check, make sure you click on that.